Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a common mistake in PHP that almost all beginners do. That is, when you use a variable inside a quote, we should use a single quote or double quote. So let's have a look. We call a variable, for example, we call a variable, we have 23 fruits there. If I want to equal it out, first I use a double quote here. We have total for fruits. Okay, so let's see the results here. What happened? We found the correct results. If I use the same, just we use single quote. We have total fruits. See the results now. Sorry, I forgot to make a break there. Echo see, PHP don't recognize these fruits as a variable. Just it's PHP read it as a string because we use single quote. This is very simple, but a common mistake in PHP almost all beginner we do. So thank you for watching.